Hi, this is the unpacking of the Choubox self-cleaning smart litter box. Okay. Get that out of here. There's two handles on the side, so you just lift straight up and out of the box. I'll just put it there for now. But yeah, it's got a rubber mat liner. This will rotate around this way, and the feces will go separate through here and into the bucket underneath it. This is up now, I'm sure, just for transportation, but this is going to be after the cycles run down here, so it'll be easy entry for your cat. We'll do our research and set it up, and then do another video of exactly how this works.
Okay, in order to set it up, the first thing you're going to see this tape, so you just have to remove it. And you can see this is the drawer. Okay, I removed the tapes. Now it seems like you have to push this. Oops. Okay, I remove this. And this is the instructions. Okay, this is what it comes in this bag. You can see the instructions. And then you will see this, the brush to clean the litter box, the instructions, the quick guide, the liners, find out. This is rubber. And now I'll show you everything that comes in this bag.